Hello students. The next topic we are going to study is chain rule. What basically chain rule is? Chain rule we study for the composite functions. Composite means when it is a group of three functions like this one means you can say three variables. Y is a function of u. Y is a function of u. You can see here. Y is a function of u means y having the terms of u like 3u plus like uq. So y is a function of u. That means the values of y are in terms of u. And u is a function of gx. Means u is equal to the terms of x only. Clear? 3x minus say e power x something. So here you can see y having the terms of u only and u having the terms of x only. That is y is a function of u and u is a function of x. If y is a function of u, we can easily find dy upon du. Because y is the dependent variable, u is the independent. So y with respect to u. And here u is a function of x, so we can find du upon dx. So how you can find the derivative of y with respect to x? The third one, y is a function of u is a function of x, then how can you calculate the derivative of y with respect to x? So the formula is dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of y with respect to u from the first relation multiplied by product derivative of u with respect to x, the second one. This is called chain rule because we are getting a chain. What type of chain? Y is u, then u is x, then the derivative of y with respect to x. This is called basically chain rule. And you will get a 2 marks question in your homework assignment and for final exam from the chain rule. And in this question, specifically, they will write what? Like you can see, question, use chain rule, find the first derivative. Use chain rule, find the first derivative. What is this? Dy means y is equal to ln u and u is equal to is sin x. You can see here y is a function of u and here you can see u is a function of x. Then what we need to do? We need to find dy by dx. And what is the formula for dy by dx? Here the middle variable is u. You can see middle variable is u. So it will be dy by du dot du by dx. This is clear. So first take the first formula. What is the first one? Y is equal to ln u. Find dy upon du. And what is the derivative of logarithmic function? It is 1 upon u. Then take the second formula. U is equal to sin x. And find the derivative of u with respect to x. And the derivative of sin x is cos x. This is clear. Then after getting the first derivative, the second derivative, put the values here. It is how much? 1 upon u into cosine x. 1 upon u into cosine x. The value of dy upon du is 1 upon u and du upon dx is cos x. Clear? But as the question is saying, you need to find dy by dx. So the value of y with respect to x. So here answer cannot be in u because we are calculating the derivative with respect to x. So all the answers should be in terms of x only. So 1 upon, put the value of u in terms of x. It is sin x. into cosine x. So indirectly it is cos x upon sin x. And you heard it, you read it in the earlier, cosine x upon sin x is equal to cot x. You studied in trigonometry. So the derivative of y with respect to x using chain rule is equal to cot x. Now we'll solve question number 2. What is given? Y is equal to 6u square plus 5u. And what is this? Y is a function of u. And what is another one? U is equal to ln x. This is u is a function of x. Clear? So let us take the first one. So what it is? It is y is equal to 6u square plus 5u. Find dy by du. Dy by du. Y with respect to u. It is the first d by du, the differential of first 6u power 2 plus d by du, the second 5u. And dear 6 into derivative of u power 2. It is 2u 2 minus 1 plus 5. The derivative of u already many times we have studied. U with respect to u is 1. So it is 6 times 2 is 12 u plus 5. 12u plus 5. And if we take the second one, it is u equals to ln x. So du divided dx with u with respect to x. It is, and the derivative of this is 1 upon x always. Log is 1 upon. Clear? Now using chain rule, what is the value of dy by dx? The value of dy by dx is 1 upon, dy by du into du by dx. dy by du is 12u plus 5 into du by dx is 1 upon x. Clear? So it is 12u plus 5 upon x. But as I told you, because we are evaluating the derivative of y with respect to x, so all the values should be in terms of x. So you need to change this u in terms of x. So it is 12. What is the value of u? It is ln x plus 5 upon x. Answer. So it is also not very much difficult. You need to calculate the derivative of first y with respect to u, then u with respect to x. Multiply them, replace u in terms of x. Finish. Clear? So this is chain rule when one function of y with respect to u is given and another function of u with respect to x is given. Clear? So I have solved 2 problems based on the 2 functions. But what happened sometimes? Use chain rule. Use chain rule. Find dy by dx or find y dash or find f dash x. Anything. Clear? For what is the function given? Function given is y equals to ln x power 5. Log x power 5. Clear? We know the differential of log x is 1 upon x. We know the differential of log x with respect to x. It is 1 upon x. But here this 5 is extra. Power is extra. How can we do it? So what we will do it? We will let it is u. Let u is equal to ln x. U is equal to ln x. Now we are breaking this function. What we are going to do? Listen carefully. We are breaking this function ln x power 5 into 2 functions. How we will do it? Whatever function is given inside the power, whatever. Clear? Whatever different is given, you need to let it. Let u is equal to ln x. Then how can we write the problem? Y is equal to, now this is u, so it is u power 5. Because ln x we have taken as u, so y is equal to u power 5. And where u is equal to what? Ln x. So we break ln x power 5 into two functions by considering inside whatever is written as u. So it is u power 5 and u is equal to ln x. Clear? Now the first function y is equal to u power 5. So dy divided du is equal to 5 u power 5 minus 1. And that equals to 5 u power 4. What is the second one? U is equal to ln x. U is equal to ln x means du upon dx. And what is the differential of logarithmic function? It is 1 upon x. Class, now you can write the answer. What is the answer? It is dy by dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx is equal to dy upon du. It is 5 u power 4 into 1 upon x. Now, as I told you in earlier question, remove this u. So 5 ln x power 4 upon x. This is the answer. We replace u by ln x. Clear? Now there is no u in the answer, you can see. Only log and x is the solution. Clear? So this is how, if it is not given in the form of two functions, so we can break the function into two functions. Okay? And we can include u into it. Now let us solve y is equal to question number 4. What is given? Y is equal to 1 minus t square power 3. Clear? Find f dash x. Sorry. Find y. It is given in terms of y. Find y dash or dy by dt. Clear? Because t is given here using chain rule. Clear? Chain rule means we need two functions. Chain rule means we need two functions. So whatever except power, whatever is written, let it is u. Let u is equal to 1 minus t square. Then what is the problem? Problem is y is equal to how much? It is u power 3. U, this is u power 3 because we have consider it 1 minus t square as u. So y is equal to u power 3. And what is the value of u? It is 1 minus t power 2. This is the problem now. One is y in terms of u, another is u in terms of t. So if we take the first function y is equal to u power 3. So what is dy upon du? It is 3 u power 3 minus 1. That is 2. Second, du upon dt. Because u is a function of t. So du upon dt is equal to 1. What is the differential of 1? 0. Minus. What is the differential of t power 2? It is 2t 2 minus 1. And it equals to minus 2t. Because 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is minus 2t. Okay. So write the derivative dy by dt is equal to dy by du into du by dt is equal to dy by du. It is 3u power 2. Clear? This is, and this is into minus 2t. So you can see here 3 into 2, 6 minus 6 u power 2 t. But what it is? U is there. You need to write the value of u. 6 1 minus t square to the power 2 into t. This is the answer. So in the end, you need to put the value of u because the differential of y is with respect to t. So in answer, there should be no u. This thing you need to remember. Okay. Another question we will take. This is question number 5. Y is equal to ln x power 3 plus x minus 1. So how we do it? Using chain rule. Chain rule you need to use. Chain rule. Clear? So you can see here y is equal to ln. It is not x. It is something different. Something different. And if something different, so what you should do? Let u is equal to x power 3 plus x minus 1. Let u is equal to x power 3 plus x minus 1. Clear? Then how can you write the problem? Then y is equal to ln, and this we have taken u. So it is ln u. What it is? This is ln u. And what is u here? It is x power 3 plus x minus 1. This is the problem. Clear? So same thing like the previous question, y is equal to ln u. So what is dy by du? Ln u. Ln u means 1 upon u. Second, u is equal to x power 3 plus x minus 1. What is du upon dx? X power 3. X power 3 means 3x power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 plus the differential of x with respect to x. It is 1 and differential of 1 is 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 3x square plus 1. This is. Now the derivative of y with respect to x, chain rule is derivative of y with respect to u and derivative of u with respect to x. So y with respect to u, it is 1 upon u and it is 3x power 2 plus 1. This is. But you need to put the value of u and it is in denominator u. It is x power 3 plus x minus 1. This is the answer. It is 3x square plus 1 upon u. Put the value of u. So the answer should be in terms of x. So all these questions are very, very good questions. Only you need to practice these questions. Okay, last question on the chain rule we will solve. And the last question is, if y is equal to tan 1 upon x, find y dash using chain rule. Find y dash using chain rule. So here you can see chain rule means what is the function given? Function given is tan 1 upon x. So chain rule means what? Chain rule means you need to break this function into two functions. So what is this? Let tan we know, trigonometric function, 1 upon x is different. So it should be x, but here it is 1 upon x. So let u is equal to 1 upon x. Clear? Then how can you write the problem? Then y is equal to tan u, because 1 upon x is u, and u is equal to 1 upon x. U is equal to 1 upon x. Clear? So y is equal to tan u and dy by du. What is the differential of tan u? It is sec square u. Number 2. du upon dx. It is 1 upon x, and 1 upon x means x power minus 1. So, sorry, wait, I write wrongly. It is u is equal to 1 upon x, and 1 upon x may be written as x power minus 1. Then du upon dx. It is equal to minus 1 will come in starting, and x is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So it is minus x power minus 2. Clear? This is the answer. So use chain rule. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx is equal to dy upon du. It is sec square u into minus x power minus 2. So what replace u by the function? So it is negative sec square u is 1 upon x into x power minus 2. Clear? You can take x power minus 2 in the denominator. So it will be minus 1 upon x power 2, and it will be sec square 1 upon x. This is the answer. So you can, there are many forms of the solution. If you will leave it here, 2 marks you will get. Leave it here, 2 marks. Leave it here, 2 marks. But for a good student, you must write this form, last one form, that indicate your maturity in calculation. Okay. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please solve these questions. Thank you.